Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, how you doing? My name is Ash. I am a makeup artist, self-taught, very important, a book lover, a Christmas lover, and I thought, for some reason, in my head, it would be a good idea to try a 5-minute holiday makeup challenge. So this is how I am proposing this to work. I am going to set a timer, and I got 5 minutes to complete a holiday look. That'll be, foundation, concealer, bronzer, powder, highlight, blush, brows, and to make it a little easier, I'm gonna attempt graphic liner, because graphic liner can be easy, right? My thought process is, since I am giving myself 5 minutes, I am okay to set out all the makeup I'm going to be using, because to be fair, when I do set out to do my makeup, I set out everything already, so it kind of just makes sense for me to lay out everything already. And I will say that I already put my moisturizer on because that takes several minutes to sink in, and I don't want to spend most of the 5 minutes just letting that sink in. So just a quick overlay, I'm going to show you what I'm going to be using, and then you know what? Let's just get started. And to make it even more complicated, I'm filming this in the middle of me making my lunch, so I got like 20 minutes to get everything wrapped up and done. So I'm screen recording my phone, and I'm gonna pull up the timer. I'm gonna have another timer going, so that might be showing because I am cooking my lunch right now. 5 minutes, I can do this, right? I don't have any nails on, not gonna be too complicated. I got this. I am a capable woman. Ready, set, start. Okay. This is so nerve-wracking. Brows first. I always do my brows first. I have this idea to do like a green cut creasy look, and then I don't know, shimmer on the lid. That's my plan. With lashes. I don't think I'm gonna get to lashes though, but we'll see. We'll see. I haven't done a challenge video in, I don't know, a long time. Brows aren't gonna be perfect, but my brows are never actually usually perfect. I'm gonna throw my concealer down first, and then my foundation on top because it's a stick. I have everything listed down below if you're interested in it. Going in with my foundation brush. Also blend in my concealer with it. Maybe. I have a sponge. Should probably use my sponge. I like a stick foundation because this Merit one is like super quick to use. Am I in? Oh my god, I'm already like 2 minutes in. Why did I think that this was a good idea? Reality, with me doing my makeup, I can get like a full makeup look done in like 10 minutes. That's like easy. But I don't know, I'm struggling. Blush on my nose is looking a little rough. That's okay. It's a-okay. Cover it up with faux freckles, and it all works out. A little shimmer on the lid. Just all over. This one from Colourpop is really pretty. I have 1.5 minutes left. Oh snap. I should have done this sooner. That's not what I want. Really messily right in here. Go in with like a darker green and give little bits in there. Oh my god. Less than a minute. "20 seconds, not working." I got a lipstick. Is more pink than red. Oh my god. Where am I at? Oh. Nope. Okay. You know what? It could have worked. It could have worked if I didn't opt to do water activated liner. And if that didn't just leak all over my lid. But like, the concept is there. It's look though. Oh no. Like you would assume that this is a little more red than pink. Okay. This is what I got. Is it great? No. No, it's not. But this is not the worst that I've looked on the internet, surprisingly. I have 7 minutes until my lunch is done. Gives me plenty of time to take off all this makeup, then eat lunch, and then do a proper makeup look for a future video. Alright, so I'm gonna end this by saying just thank you so much for watching. This was super fun to do. I probably should have gave myself a little bit longer, but maybe in the future I can do another version of this for like a different holiday. I can't take myself seriously looking like this though. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe, give this video a like. I am doing 25 days of Christmas here, where there's going to be a video every day up from December 1st to December 25th. I usually don't upload every single day, I'm every other day. So after this holiday season, I'm going to be going back to my usual like every other day schedule unless something happens, and then I want to put several videos up in a row. So take that as you will. If you want to keep up with me on my other socials, I'm artistryxashh everywhere. Over on my TikTok, I have a giveaway going on currently that ends on December 17th. Make sure you head over there, check that out. If I hit 10,000 followers before that giveaway is over, I am opening it up to a 4th winner. Because, you know, this is the season of giving. But other than that, thank you so much for watching this train wreck of this video. I hope you have an amazing day or night whenever you're watching this, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!
I think that my Christmas has died.